Welcome to official SL TV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share my video.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It depends on the time and when you go listen to this audio. The people in our salon today, now Thursday, April 24, 2025, with me, una humble servant, PRO Samura. The people in our salon today, I get two messages for you again. My first message now today, my people, as Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara with the Electoral Justice Group, then don't approach PPRC for form another political party. Waiting at the mission, why then they do this, I will highlighting some of the points then today. And my second message today, my people, not to the northerners, especially to the Timni tribe, for me to pay attention and focus and know about the suicide mission with Samura Kamara want for involve una the Timni people empower. Because all about this fight, electoral justice, where Samura Kamara himself no say no deep and fight no electoral justice. Who that then are the people we hope say then Tima bien and better one na the Timni tribe. So I will can talk to with the northerners then today and the Timni people and for make una focus and pay attention. But before I go on with this message to me people, somebody send me an audio where they say the book will be in the talk about when a legacy of leadership. He say that book they don't they na salon. He say most of the leaders then at the APC don't get that book. I want for confirm to una say that information the way that person say not true at all. The book Legacy of Leadership, it get for come out at any time, and where they come out, not get for be secrecy. We go can announce a date to una. We will call on the APC leadership, the former MPs, former ministers, former councillor, former district mayor, or city council chairman or chairpersons, former APC executive from national to world level diaspora. We go send invitation to them all to this present executive, where we will go do an official launching of this book, what we call Legacy of Leadership. When that day reach, we go do that. We go do them publicly for Leona all aware. So you way there across the country, if you want for travel, you can travel for go meet up the official launching of the book, Legacy of Leadership, na the APC party head office, Brookfield, Freetown. So that information say the book then are people and now. We know what make the public see. I want for tell you, I say that person a miss, and the person we get that information they na lie, not true at all, right? And I want for tell you, brothers and sisters, where they na the Council of Progressive, Council of Progressive, then don't do a lot, including we where they invite put in at the program for make we advertise this book here. I want for tell we all thank you, and I want for make una patient very soon. The book Legacy of Leadership go in at the public domain, and we go can tell una a date where we go do the official launching of this book for Leona able get access to that across the country. The people in our salon, Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara with the electoral justice team, then don't approach PPRC about the intention for form another political party. I want to release this message for draw the attention of the APC leadership, the advisory committee, the veteran, the honorable, and the present executive, and the grassroots and member supporters and sympathizers of the APC, for make we all pay attention. Samura Kamara, after the June 24, 2023 election, with the APC be make we position clear say we know they recognize Marabio in government, we know they work with Marabio in government. For cut long story short, we all know wetin been don happen along that line till we saw with it. Samura Kamara na in grab, he go meet Madabio. He not tell nobody na the APC. He not tell an Eskroma we make people in Sabian today. Here Madabio na then too good make them tie. Follow we go Bintu money. Come out Bintu money, go tripartite. This tripartite report come out. Samura Kamara of himself not see nothing they like rerun of fresh election. You know, see nothing they like say them for can pull President Bio put in the Samura Kamara. You know, see nothing they like say them will pull the SLPP put with the APC. But in the Samura being happy and satisfied with that report, is signer he go present to President Bio for implementation. Everything within that implementation now about electoral reform and institutional reform. And one for tell God thank you, the implementation process they on. When they finish that implementation, now a win-win goal for we the APC because we know say the SLPP no go ever win election without the international community then support. And this tripartite report tell we say now free and fair election now for happen now we country now. If na that political party where they win, like they 20 year, 30 year, 40 years, as soon as the citizen then choose, then they vote for, then the international community they not go interfere for say regime change. It not go ever happen again. But this will they explain to una the people in Asalo, because of Samura Kamara in Taiwan being tied with Madabio, the mission don't fail. Now that make them the finance board and today for continue for deceive una misinform una, lie to una, give una false hope, give una fake hope, because they know what make we come out and tell the truth. One of the tie where Samura Kamara been going meet with President Bio, waiting them to tie. President Bio and Samura Kamara been tie say, for making the Samura Kamara left President Bio, let go ahead with these 5 years. In say 2028, Ingo come and overpower Torah. So the only assignment we been give Samura Kamara is say let Samura Kamara fighting way for bulldoze this executive. When he bulldoze this executive, Ingo take over the party. It would not easy for him for take on the presidency comes 2028. But as I tell you now, that mission they don't backfire na Samura Kamara and because Samura Kamara and President Bio make this arrangement with the move say the grassroots lacking the Samura Kamara. With the initiative and idea say in the President Bio na so been bulldoze na the SLPP for takeover. So now the same directive we give Samura Kamara say for bulldoze for takeover the APC. But you know, that mission they don't backfire, it don't expire. Samura Kamara no able that fate day. You know able that fate, you know what make the people and know the truth for say this June 24, 2023 election, you don't done. Other election no go happen again past 2028. We they can't tell una the truth, then go tag with, then go curse with, then go misinform una about we present we bad to una. But I believe say una with people, una don't begin focus and una don't begin get sense. Now this mission, it failed na Samura Kamara in two ways. Number one, when Samura Kamara can begin talk about electoral justice, President Bio take phone call and tell us, say, if you don't forget waiting me and you to arrange, and if you don't forget the document the way you sign, then they come and misinform the public for that problem then at the country. After me, I too don't agree, say, may left me make a continue with this power till 2028, me go help you for give you the power. This now waiting President Bio tell Samura Kamara na the phone conversation. So since that they don't happen, the police be invite Samura Kamara from then and they will hide past this later till we begin see and they pass. As Samura Kamara don't fail for take over the APC, now it gets then SLPP operative the way they around her, the likes of the Fadika, the likes of the Mohammed Warise, the likes of then Dr. Fuller and others. This now most of the people that we been don't get agreement with Samura Kamara say when he go be president, he go can't give them appointment there. Waiting on some of the appointment, the ministerial position, and for be ambassador on some of the European countries there, especially the America, the England, and other countries there. But when this mission don't expire, as I they talk to Unami people, Samura Kamara and then people and they all don't come together for make Samura Kamara form new political party so that it will divide the APC in votes. Now the Northeast, Northwest, Western, rural, and urban. In online meeting with them all, Samura Kamara and people come out with conclusion say the grassroots APC then they listen to her. He say the Timney tribe then they with her. He say he get people in the country where believe and trust in her. So the day wey him go come out and tell them say you don't fight the electoral justice, you don't tire, you not able, the party leadership dey fet am. So if he can't announce them thing dem dey to the public, he say the people of Salon go give am dem support so that him go become president 2028. But me people una sit down and learn. Samura Kamara tell una about electoral justice. This leadership wey they say today dem fet am. This leadership na dem call Samura Kamara na the party head office na Freetown. The dokle wetin we hear in the media, Samura Kamara and blogger dem say Samura Kamara a mama dreamer. Say if he go na that office, they then go kill her. From then then they take today as they release this audio, me people. Una one day see Samura Kamara na any radio station across the country for go tell people how in defeat this electoral justice or how you want for feta, who side them don't they, whose institution where they can help and for fight this electoral justice. Samura Kamara don't ever go na any radio station at the country, me people. Samura Kamara don't go na any TV stations for go tell Salon people how in they can fight electoral justice and how they can go about it. Una we believe in and about this so-called electoral justice. Samura Kamara don't ever update una how far in don't go about the fight. Usa una don't come out or usa una day. You don't ever come and give una update how far you don't deal with the fight. Whose institutions then are the always stand by them for fight this fight. You don't ever update una. The same Samura Kamara. Naim Ibrahim and Cashbox go interview. He say no get for contest for no election comes 2028. If he not able to fight, he go give support to other person. But as I talk to now to confirm a reliable source, Samura Kamara don't get the intention now. Then don't form a team. Then PPRC don't aware. Then don't approach PPRC for let them form another political party so that Samura Kamara will be the flag bearer. This na in the pango on right now. When PPRC they receive this letter, my people, it become a shocking news to them. Even some of the SLPP people within that PPRC, they ask Samura Kamara if he saw say this na the right move for her. Then say yes, na the right move. Then ask him two things. You saw say this na a right move, na a right decision where they take so. Then say yes. So then they wait for let PPRC give them approval. Then in the Samura Kamara go come now for can talk to the nation say, in don't fight the electoral justice, you not able, the party leadership, the fighter, now he make you not able succeed. So in they can form a new political party, may Salon people and give them support for 2028. This now the mission then they are right now. But today, I want to talk to una me timni people. The truth say, tell me, no matter how somebody look bad, the true a heart, but if I for talker. The tribes them all way pack inside the APC. All the tribe then are Salon they inside the APC. But the tribe we don't betray the APC more than any other person. Now una me own people and the Timni tribe. Una me Timni people. Now una don't betray the APC more than any other tribe. Look at the Mohammed Bangura Timni. Look at the Alpha Khan Timni. Right? Look at them other people. The one that we been take with the NRM we been take in a court. 99.9% of them are Timni. The Alfred Peter Conte, the one that always been there behind and not Timni there. Today, after Samura Kamara, don't neglect the people of Salon their vote. He don't betray the people of Salon. He betray the international community. He betray the APC executive. He betray former President Kuruma. He betray the people of Salon. We come out 2 o'clock na net, 1 o'clock, till 5 o'clock, go team up na a long queue, then go cast them vote for change. He betray them all. Go make an agreement with President Bio. We know they in favor of with the APC. We not go bring with the APC into governance. Samura Kamara will take all land decisions there. Now una the Timni people and still now una stand by them. Say now una picking a deep and fight the right cause. But two Timni person don't ever they can't update we believe in this so-called electoral justice. Come and explain to Salon people how Samura Kamara they can fight this electoral justice. Not to una the Timni them all, but certain set of Timni them. Now they all they join the Samura Kamara today for destroy the APC. Where the Samura Kamara not a true APC. and Eskroma just 14 for appointer through the instruction we get with the National Advisory Committee and in working experience. If anybody tell you say Samura Kamara not sabi work, he don't like you. If anybody tell you say Samura Kamara not good na the office of finance or bank governor, he don't lie to you. But Samura Kamara not to presidential material. How somebody, a flag bearer and leader, you could go tell a party say na Africa say power not to do or die. Why you allow them go cast them vote for you as a flag bearer? Why not step down by then? If they go tell we say let's get faith in God, why not become a bishop or pastor? Go na then church them for pull up and politics. Right? You want to say no one law we go na street for protest. You want to say, Lord, have faith in God. You want to say, we faith no meet it may not pull close. Samura Kamara, whose faith we want for lay them meet we now. Then don't kill with people across the country. Born host them. McKinney bomb kill people and they twice. Former President Kuruma we appoint as minister in time done. Na in can appoint as people. Today, na in then drive na the country. Na in sit on Nigeria as refugee. Samura Kamara, you of yourself, this same President Bio will betray the whole country, go meet Nanet. He don't attempt for killing, not to one, not to two, not to three. The last one, inside party office, he don't grow like small picking. Then kill Mami Awa, kill mate, a white boy there. Then don't kill Evangelist Samson Wilson K. Kill so many APC people, intimidate people, and marginalize people, take the likes of the APC serif, then they are praising the language. Na de Samura Kamara go sit down back, tell Salon people and tell the APC people and say, when faith not meet it may not pull close. Who's faith way for me to again? After they don't kill with people and all. So me people in a salon. Samura Kamara then don't approach the PPRC for can form another political party. But who that then they hope to say that they behind them pan this kind of faith. Now, una the team people. So me want for advice una. Alekuna the team them all left APC. Go join Samura Kamara. Una not able to produce president on una own. Forget a president na salon a collaborative fight. This electoral justice, you know they go kwenadugu, yeri from sensible people. Na past one day we get swear we not understand. You know they go Falaba district area. If you go Kono district area and pass the team then way they from Kokima. Take go to Lebanon. But the Kono people are not the thing, but then talk then they move on for put themselves in order for 2028. You know they go Kalau, he read this from the sober-minded Mende people, including Kenema. You know they go na the southern region, he think but then sober-minded Mende, Kisi and other tribe, for say then they left the young party activities for fallacy until when a lie, na complete propaganda and fallacy, because the man no one come out today for tell we people and it will. Today na the team ni people with all Samura Kamara in weakness, in wickedness, in lapses, in mistake, and selfishness, go sell the power. Like waiting the lioness been tell we say them pay 16 million euro. Now all the money then the way then give Samura Kamara. Now it make enough value salon people and vote go give away we vote. So una then team the people una pay attention. Una don't betray the APC more than any other tribe. All them thing the way Samura Kamara do to the APC so. If na any other tribe in Duam, una the team them for don't stand behind them because of them kind thing ya. Because some of una even know the truth today, but just because una say na una picking. If na Kaifala Marawi na Kranko been do this. If na Dr. Richard Conte been do this. If na Cherry Kokowe na Fulaman, na him been come out na net go get meeting with President Bio, una the team then can know that day. Una go stand by Rampandis. Right? If na Almami Petito Kurumada, if na them been do this, or if na Chairman Minkailo Mansare, CEO 001, if anybody na dana sona executive, the lawyer Lansana Dumbuya, we na the National Secretary General, if na them been snitch, hide themselves na net, go get me to President Bio for say, go bin to money. Waiting una the team, the people and for don't tell them today. But just because una say Samura Kamara na una picking na una tribe. Una they see the truth, una know the truth, but una still the IBN, una say una they give una support. Tribalism, get nowhere for takeaway. So I want to talk to una the team there. We still believe in this so-called electoral justice. This This day we una dey behind Dr. Samura na a suicide bombing. Some of una don't suffer na this party. But today, una want for left una suffering go in vain. Una no benefit, una picking themselves no can benefit tomorrow. Una want set a precedent we go affect una picking them, take go to una grand picking them. Una with team the people, una focus and pay attention and be careful. Una no dey pan support Samura Kamara pan the right thing. Una dey deceive the people. If any team the tribe wey dey behind Samura today, now una collaborate for let the APC not in governance today. Today una dey team leader sit down. Una don't abandon former President Kuruma. Una dey allow Samura Kamara and people and they molest that man, they cause that man. Una dey team leader na bombali. Una sit down. Una dey enjoy that. Una no want Samura Kamara say. And Eskurumana una picking and I make una sabi in the Samura Kamara. Una the timini then sit down una want this una press release from Bombali district. Una the timini then na Potloko. Una the timini then na Cambia. Una the timini then na Tonkolili. All them bad things the Yahweh Samura Kamara they do so. Now una the timini then I hope. Because the mende they know they join and this nonsense. The Kranko no go join and this nonsense. We the Jalunkas no go join and this nonsense. The Fullers no go join and this nonsense. The Kisses no go join and this nonsense. The Kono they no go join and this nonsense. The Locos then no go join Samura Kamara and this nonsense. Who that then they be na una the team need in the name say na una God and una picking. The team need we pay attention and focus. All the people away don't harm this party now from the team angle then they come out. I hate for say this, but I get for say this three. Una check the NRM. Una go check behind Alfred Peter Conte. After the election, Mohamed Bangura na host tried. Alfred Thompson then say in na Creole. But una lo we see don't and check. The team leader. Now una na the major tribe inside the APC party, but una get for be careful. Una picking them they set bad precedent there, including one of una brother when una picking Samura Kamara. All this approach with Samura Kamara with team approach the PPRC. Now una the team leader hope I say una go can't they be an this nonsense again. But me want for tell una say, unlike una the team leader all left the APC. Una go join Samura Kamara. Team leader alone not able to produce president on his own. I want make una know this. The mandate and the city did them boku, but the mandate guy alone, like the mandate and wait inside APC and other political party there. Even if they all left go join SLPP for vote for the SLPP, the mandate guy alone not able to produce president for themselves. When I look at Kono in 2018, with all the support we then give with brother we uncle, former Vice President Alhaji Samuel Abubakar Samsumana. How many percent the C4C been get by then? And also if you reach 3%, if you reach 3%, you know pass. With all the 8 MPs the way they produce, get all the councillors there. APC only get 1 members of parliament in Kono district. Then percentage not be even reach 5%. They not even can share a third. Who that can third? Now NGC KKY. So Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara, they only do this for make it destroy the APC. 2028, the APC not will come in governance. In your party where the form not get for take governance, then the SLPP will continue for the in governance. While una the team people and the northeast, northwest, western area, rural and urban, una go continue for suffer, then go continue for kill una, then go continue for marginalize una, and then go continue for molest una young big people away there before. Una need for pay attention. Nobody not defeat Samura Kamara. Na in compromise in winning and na in give way in winning. I want make una the team people know this today. I want make una know this. This is why they say na confirm a reliable source. For less Samura Kamara, if they go falla, then this gone to people away don't left the SLPP. Today they all can hide behind. They can't destroy the APC so that the SLPP go continue for the governance. In the Samura go, if they continue for buy into that. 2 years ago, somebody been don't tell me. He says Samura Kamara not to presidential material. He says Samura Kamara not to APC person. You know, ever like APC and you know go ever give APC winning. He says if in a Samura Kamara una hope to, and like una pin 100 times the SLPP they beat una 100 times. Somebody don't tell me this 2 years ago. Director Jallo, now from Karine district he come out. If people and for support Samura Kamara today, Director Jalo na pandi people na one pandi people away for don't support Samura Kamara. When 2 years ago, when we been about we lower level elections, Director Jalo na one person way make public audio publicly emphasize and talk around it. He say if in a Samura Kamara no more the contest election. He say APC go dey over 30 years opposition, no go ever give way winning. He says so for that, then not the ever supporter and in no go ever get in support. He prefer go vote for the SLPP. And indeed, now so then do na the 2023 election. Director Jalo na carrying a district to come out with the same district where Samura Kamara come out. But he come out publicly and tell we say Samura Kamara no go ever give winning to the APC. And somebody again been don't tell we say Madabio na Samura Kamara in boss, and Madabio will continue for be Samura Kamara in boss, stay to the day where them go die go na grave. After the June 24, 2023 election, exactly waiting people and talk nine Samura Kamara do. For let Madabio call you one time call. He grab na net, he go meet her. He not consult the party executive. He not consult the former president. He not consult nobody, including the international community, where they all been done get we back and say, Madabio not win the election. He betray everybody. That's so how that person waiting been talk say, Samura Kamara na boss with Madabio, I go continue for being boss till then go na grave. Samura Kamara only acts on them between Madabio. He don't come to conclusion, say waiting people been the talk, but you don't see the reality. So for let you say today, when they can't form party, and you message where you get for can present to people, you say you don't fight the electoral justice, you're not able, you say the party leadership, they fed you, so make Salon people and join you for pull the APC and the SLPP in power comes 2028. This na in them all, na the online meeting me people. This na in them don't agree on. This na in them don't tie me people. Samura Kamara they about for form of that party, then don't approach PPRC. But the PPRC then still lay and question them, then they ask them if then so say na the right move, then don't take so. Because it become a surprise to the stars then na PPRC. It become a surprise to most of the people and not PPRC. Then say then don't warn and don't advise and say this will become a regrettable move tomorrow. But he say no go regret. And who that na the people away the way he thinks they go they behind for this tomorrow. Na the Timini. With all due respect, I want for advice una meeting people. Una picking them don't betray this party a lot. Today una picking against Samura Kamara. Na don't team up so for destroy this party. Samura Kamara, you know serve this party in any angle from grassroots level. You know serve this party in any way. Now opportunity sign on now. In 2018, then jump the party picking them. People away don't spend their money there. People away don't popularize themselves in the country. Then jump them all. The leadership jump them go appoint Samura Kamara. Today the payment way they give this leadership now for present them back to the public. The payment way they give to former President Kuruma today now for make like bobo then disrespect and then cause a molester. Una the other Timini people, una the hail Samura Kamara Pandandi, una the supporter, and Eskruma way make una Sabia, and Eskruma way and mark the across the country. Today una the ungrateful that party because of Samura Kamara. After we Samura Kamara na ingi way you're winning, na in compromising your power. They go team up, they tell we say we fet no meet may not pull close. Samura Kamara who stay go feel say this fete go meet we. After they don't kill and destroy with people and terrorize with people and all, they still say fete no meet yet. Then pull 10 members of parliament inside Madabio in first 5 years now the Salon Well of Parliament. Samura Kamara say fete no meet it. Then go massacre citizens then na Pademba. He say fete no meet it. Then don't kill with people in Makeni, the Donsar, the Tombo, the Mailantiwan, the Freetown and other part of the country. We na APC people. People where they identify say na APC people, then they go meet the Nanet, broke the mouth and then pull them and they go kill them. Samura Kamara still say the fete no meet yet, so we not for pull close. He say we not for protest, where they protest against a hungry lion. He go checher you. We na one pan the only means been dandy. Oh, for don't pull Madabio by now, Madabio not for don't the under. Because when situation for don't go out of control, the international community for don't immediately come and intervene. So Samura Kamara, after all them damage there, we don't cause to the APC. Today, Now they go form join the Wariside, the Dr. Fulade, that former SLPP chairman, right? This Fadikade, una they go arrange for go form another political party just for let una stop the APC in Kanwa na power comes 2028. Because me not believe say the Southeastern are ever go join it and this kind of nonsense. Now only the Tonde we na the Timinitrigai Bokut na then go join you. That na Bombali, Tonkolili, carrying a district and Port Loko. Now these 4 districts now no more you go use for minus the vote of the APC. But I want for show you Samura Kamara say, even the entire team they left the APC, go join the SLPP. They're not going to make you president comes 2028. So una way they pan this electoral justice fight, the leadership of the APC, the grassroots of the APC, Samura Kamara Gefo can address the nation. In that address where they address the nation, waiting at the message we get for can tell una in say, in don't fight the electoral justice, but he not able. He say waiting make he not able. He say because the APC leadership they fighter. Now they know what may be president. Now they know what let the party can governance. He says so now that leader for form another political party. So they talk to una the people of Salome kuna join for can pull the APC and the SLPP. This nine then don't agree and now this then don't right for make it can present to una the grassroots APCians. Now this then don't prepare for make it can present to una the people of Salome. Una law we focus and pay attention. Samura Kamara not mean good for the APC. It not mean well for the APC. For make it go surround himself with SLPP operative identity. We're not to members of the APC. They not get APC card. They not want to contribute anything positive for move the APC forward. Today now then people and now then they direct Samura Kamara waiting for do it do. Now then they tell her waiting for do it do. I want for talk to una the team the people. Make we come out and tell we self the truth. If we not honest to we self, we follow this selfish desire. We continue for follow this tribe business and I'm a tribe man and not for come out Vienna. Wallahi, would they kill this APC and now the SLPP go continue for their power while we the Northerners now we go continue for suffer. Now we go continue for Paris in the name say na me tribe na me own person. This na me message. Uno listing and feel free for share. Piero Samura, Falaba District Publicity Secretary, All People's Congress, APC. Una listing and help me share this message far and wide until it reach everybody in Asalo. Let everybody know about Samura Kamara in deceptive move the way they back. And this not a complete suicide bomb. For you we go join Samura Kamara and this kind of move where they take so. Tomorrow they no get for count to governance, APC no go come, SLPP go continue. While the APC don't identify una as bad people. For more information, una can reach me on my WhatsApp +232 74 46 0045. +232 74 46 0045. That na my WhatsApp number. We go contact me, see idea, more information, suggestion, or support, whatever. Una help me share this message far and wide.